Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on Bodhi Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. I have divided this essay into 10 simple and easy lines. First line is, Bodhi Day is a special Buddhist festival. Second line is, it is celebrated on 8th December. Third line is, it commemorates the day that Buddha, also known as Siddhartha Gautama, attained enlightenment. Line is, he learnt the truth about life, pain and serenity. Line is, on this day people remember Buddha's teachings of kindness and wisdom. Line is, this day reminds us of the importance of inner peace. Seventh line is, this day teaches patience, peace and kindness. Eighth line is, it reminds us to be kind and seek wisdom in our lives. ninth line is, it encourages people to let go of anger and practice forgiveness. Last line and line number 10 is, Bodhi Day inspires everyone to live with empathy.